Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. We're doing some of the driving test roundabouts in Southall, Greenford, Yeading. These are some of the big roundabouts that you may come across. And even if you haven't got your test in these areas, you can actually watch the roundabouts. These are similar to other big roundabouts that you might come across. You have to understand, we sit with our students when they're doing their driving test. We speak to the driving examiners. We know exactly what they want. On our site, fmdrivingschool.co.uk, we've listed everything that you need to know about your driving test and how to pass it, as well as your theory test. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's only a button, but makes a big difference to our channel.
Right about now. To get yourself into the far right. Push it. Start braking. Put the clutch down. Okay. Got to get it too. Off the brake. Don't brake too much. Keep going. You're slowing down too much, bro. Keep going. You see, you should have let it roll. Don't know why you stop. Keep going anyway. Lights change. Go. Far right lane. Hold that speed. And change your mind. We're gonna stop at the traffic lights. Clutch down, brake. Which exit was that? Well, my left, yeah? Okay. I'm gonna first stop and then feet to the gas.
We were just on this on.
We were, but we came a different way. Yeah. White Hart roundabout.
I think I remember from one of our other lessons.
Which one's that? Which exit is that?
Second.
It's good to count so you don't go the wrong way. Our lanes might split up, okay? So as we go around, so the lane's splitting up. Let's move across. Stay in the middle now. Check your left mirror though. And then stay. So did you see it splits up?
Yeah,
Stay here. Touch down brake. Which one's that? Which exit?
That's the third.
That's a third there. So, and then there's a fourth. If you didn't split up, if you didn't move across, you might not be able to go around to the fourth exit. Get ready? Okay. So there's a third. As you're going around, check your left mirror. Check your left mirror, please. Indicate left. About now. Check our left one more time. So we can either move across, but there's a car in the way, so we stay on the right. We'll stay on the right. But just if you didn't move across, you'll be end up on that lane down there.
Yeah.
But stay here, 30 miles an hour, straighten the wheel. Check our left mirror, there's too many cars, keep it straight. And indicate, okay, this car's going to go before you. Let's get a bit more close. So we're gonna, as you drive, we're gonna indicate left now. Indicate left. Is there a gap to move in? Yeah, we'll cancel the indicator. And we're allowed to use the bus lane. Stay here. And go to the correct, yeah. So if you ever find yourself on the far right lane, you do what we did. We take our time and try to move back in safely. Of course, depending on the test of the time of the test, sorry. If the test was at 9 o'clock, say, we would not be here, would we? Because the bus says at 7 to 10, isn't it?
Yeah.
One more roundabout up ahead. Let's take the first exit. So it's not bad. We've done quite a few fourth exit roundabouts. We've done a third exit roundabout. We've done a first exit as well, all in Southall. The tricky one probably is the third one, isn't it?
Yeah,
third exit.
third exit. Probably the hardest.
Yeah, purely because if you end on the far right, you will not go to the third exit. You have to figure out when to move across to the middle. Here's one more roundabout. Let's take you first exit for now. Good to see the route.
You know, if like you want to go third exit, I mean,
One second, let me just do this. Take the first exit on the roundabout, then I'll answer your question. 1 second.
yeah.
First exit on the roundabout, okay? So, lights are changing. So what's the action anyway? Yeah, good? Good. Mirrors and signal, wicked. Okay, so what was your question now?
If you want to take like third exit on the round,
Yeah.
let's say you miss it because you're in the right hand lane,
Yeah.
and you still go around. Like
Yeah,
around.
that's all you do, Right. What gear? No, what gear? Okay. So you have two options. You can go all the back around, or you can actually come off from the fourth exit. If you did it safely, you see,
Yeah.
you just go fourth exit and you just went the wrong way now. Or you can come back around if you're like sharp enough or quick enough to realize, oh, I'm in the incorrect lane, let me come back around. So, yeah, follow the shade. Far left. Get to the correct gear. Okay. See the speed sign? Oh, great. What's going on here? What a place to just stop. Okay. Good, speed up. up a bit more. Get the speed up. No, keep going, look ahead. It's actually not a slip road. It looks like it, I know.
Yeah.
But if you look ahead, you're actually going to notice it's one lane here. It does look like there is a slip road, but notice it. Did you see it now?
Yeah.
Anyway, while we're here, we're actually going to come off towards right slip. And then we might take a third exit again just to make it a bit tricky. Stay in this lane. You understand? We're going to come off. There's a 3 bars. So we're quite close to the slip. Third exit on the roundabout. So check our mirrors one more time. Indicate right, please. Start braking. Come on, right. Yeah, clutch down, brake. Down to gear 1 as you get there. Excellent. Slow on. We're pushing now. He's taking the left so we can push in. And clutch down and brake again. Scan. Is it clear? Nice. Okay. Is it clear off there? Get ready? Yeah, make the call then. Gas and go. Inside lane. Get to the correct gear. Count the exit. Here's the first. Speed up a bit more, please. Don't be too slow. More right. Here's the second. Speed up, please. Okay. Now you're going to check out left mirror. You check in, indicate left to move across. And then you're going to come off. This lane. So again, you have 2 choices. It's good that we can move across. Then you'll be in the far left lane straight away. Check our right mirror, merges in anyway. Excellent. Is that clear again? Is that difficult?
It's alright.
It's alright. Once you do a few times, innit, it just becomes a bit more natural. Come off the gas up there. The whole squad unlocked. So here we are. We'll take the second exit. Which lane do you want to be in?
Left lane.
Left lane, yeah. Check out left mirror just so you can hog the left lane. We're in low gear, which is fine. Start scanning as well. You can see quite a few cars. More left though, please. Great. Scan. Is it clear? More left. Yeah. Hog the left lane though. Yeah. Okay. Follow the shape. Here's the first. So if you count, you don't go the wrong way. Check your left mirror now, and then you can indicate. And we're coming up onto the second exit. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Check your right mirror. Watch this BM. Yeah. Just be aware. Come on there. And then check our right mirror again so you can push out. See this car? Excellent. Get to the correct gear. What speed do you see? Yeah. Go to the correct gear, please. One. Good. So 40 miles an hour road. Look, we just done quite a lot of 20s. Still, look, watch out for all these speed signs. Let's go to gear 4. We've got a slight problem. The bus is in the way, so don't speed too much. So check our right mirror. It looks a bit tight though. Brake, clutch down. Let's go to a lower gear. Fine, yeah? Indicate right, and there's a little bit of a gap. Slowly, but that back is coming, so you have to be. There you go. Now check our left mirror, cancel indicator. So you were speeding towards the bus. I was doing the opposite. I was thinking, how are we going to get through? So we were lowering the speed and the gears to give you the control, to give you the time to think. The bike, as long as it was coming through, now we have to decide are we going to overtake or not. In the end, the bike moved back in. But had you speeded towards and kept the speed up for you, it would have been difficult to do all that. You understand? You have to plan in advance. Carry on. What speed is ours though? Any speed is not a problem. Now watch what happens. We're coming again across the roundabout. Check our right mirror. Can we go around? Is there space? Yeah, let's go around. Okay, the bus has indicated. 1 second. Let's deal with. Wow. Let's go take the fourth exit. Which exit is that? Yeading, sorry. Can you see?
Yeah.
Fourth exit. Come over. Right, so let's take the third. Sorry, let's take the third. Do the third exit. Yeah. So it was towards Heathrow, okay? Heathrow and Southall. So we have two choices. Which lane do you want to be in?
This one.
Yeah, fair enough. Good, stay here. Do indicate right though. So which exit did I say we're taking?
Third exit.
Third exit, yeah. So I'm only four because we done four earlier on. So let's take the third. So you're gonna look at this. See this white line on the floor on the left of you. You're gonna follow this white line. You're gonna see it tilt. You can see it. Flash a bit higher. Okay, good. Try it again, that's right. Check out left mirror. It tilts here into this lane. Go to gear 2. And then count 1. Full at speed. Which one's that? 2. Slow. And then there's a third. Is that clear? Touch down and brake. What gear quickly? Okay. Indicate left please. And we're coming on. Full at speed. Get to the correct gear. Take your time. Do you see the speed sign? 40. Yeah. Keep going. Get to the correct gear. Another roundabout up ahead. Yeah, you can go to a higher gear again. Yeah, go to gear. Stay at 40 please. So let's go towards Heathrow. Follow the sign. So there's a roundabout sign coming up. Look for the green big board up ahead. So Heathrow and Southall. Which exit is it? Can you see?
Second.
Second. Okay, good. Look at the next board, green board. Can you see the arrows? The
Yeah.
3 arrows. It's saying the left also goes straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can stay here. So we're gonna start braking anyway. Brake. Get the speed down. Brake harder. Now go into gear 2. Left lane, please. Yes. So you can pick all 3, but we want to pick the left. What gear quickly? Good. Scan. Is it clear? Is it clear? What's happening? Follow the shape. Here we go. Yeah, good. Make the corner there. Excellent. Good lane discipline. Get to the correct gear. Count the exit. Here's the first. Now check your left mirror. Indicate left to come off. And then hold the left lane. And we're in. Excellent. See the speed sign as well? And then once you're in, check your mirrors and pull up that speed. Get to the correct gear. Careful, that's neutral. Straight down is 4. So don't push to the side and go 3 to 4. It's just straight down.
Push it down.
Yes, yeah. So we're actually going to come off. We're going to follow the signs towards Southall and Ealing and Hillingdon and Hayes. There's the 2 bars. We're getting close to the slip road. So as you get there, check our mirrors. Interior left. Let's indicate left. Do you see it?
Yeah.
We're going to come off. And then one more roundabout. We're actually going to take the first exit. Cancel indicate for a little bit, stay here, and I know the board's hidden away, so place here, and we'll take the first exit of the roundabout. So do the routine please. What's the routine? Yeah, good. So earlier on we came from the left, we went third exit, and then we came from the left, we took the first exit. Now coming from a different direction, taking the first exit. So many ways of approaching one roundabout in the route itself. Okay, get ready. Should be there. Try not to rush the clutch. Go to the correct gear. Did you read the bus in time? Did you read it yet?
Won't you?
Yeah, it's fine. So I said, did you read it? So brake. So we're kind of undertaking. Just be a bit slow, yeah. Just be a bit cautious. So our lane can go straight. Yeah, go fine.
And that's how you do some of the roundabouts. This video is more intended to just have a look at the area, see the route, and maybe you might be able to hear my voice and seeing how I'm teaching the students, but really it's just for you to see the route and how the driver gets into the lanes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School.